Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check if your website page is indexed or not. So simply you can go and type anything on Google. After that here you can type site and then add this semicolon. So now let me scroll down and let me copy this website link and then add here. Then click on search button. So now here you can see we got this page here. Now again let me go back and copy another website link. Then click on search button. Now here you can see page is not available. So this is the very easiest way to check any page that is indexed in Google or not. So the second method is make sure that you have connected Google Search Console in your WordPress website. So you can go and type this one, Google Search Console, and then you can go here, Search Console AMP, and here you can add your website. Then after adding, you can go and simply select your website. So now let me go back and copy this link, then add here and press enter. Now here you can see URL is on Google. So now let me go back, copy link address and add here, then press enter. Now here you can see URL is not on Google. So simply you can go and click on request indexing. In this way you can easily submit your website pages to the Google Search Console and you can increase your website ranking and get traffic.